Hello everyone, this is Ruchika, and I have also, I'm also running my channel of microeconomics where all the topics related to economics are uploaded. So I thought because my students are also demanding the lectures of statistics, so I have created one more channel which will specifically deals with the statistical questions and statistical lectures. So starting with this, in this particular lecture we will understand what is statistics. We will also see the role of statistician, how statistics can be beneficial in different arenas, what are the characteristics of it, and in upcoming videos we will see the use of various statistical tools as well. But now if you could just see, the slide says that statistics is one thing which is not only limited to research, it is very much beneficial in business as well as in sports. So if we just go ahead, when we talk about business, business is all about earning profit, making sales, enlarging production, research and development. But based on the past data, we cannot predict that how much sale we are going to do in future. How much production a company has to do to increase the sales in the economy. So statistics is very much useful in business, and the areas covered are production, sales, distribution analysis, research, manpower planning, and accounting. So research can be very well used in these areas. It can be used into the production, where you could see that per year production, and on the basis of last few years production you can predict, and you could see the progress of your company. You can see the sales reports of other companies as well, and you can make your sales strategies based on that. So the statistics is one thing which is very much useful into not only in business, it is useful in sports, it is useful in research as well, R&D, which is the main area of research. Now if we just go ahead, statistics basically helps us in calculating meaningful inferences and conclusion that can be drawn with the help of application of statistical tools and applications. If I'm just having a pile of data with me and a mountain of data with me, what I'll do with that? I will not be able to take out any inferences out of that data, because that mountainous data, the mountain of data will not give me anything. I will not be able to remember anything. So what I have to do? Out of that data, I have to calculate some conclusions or inferences which can be utilized in much more meaningful manner with the help of statistical tools. Right? Because we will now see in upcoming slides that what are the statistical tools or methods which can be used to reduce that mountain of data into a meaningful conclusions and inferences. So statistics helps us in doing that. Now, there are many people who have given the definition of statistics, like one you could see here, A.L. Bowley. The statistics may be called the science of counting and averages. It seems to be incomplete that statistics may be helpful in counting and averages, but we need to see the exact meaning and function of the statistics, that how statistics helps us in calculating inferences. So this is one definition which seems to be incomplete. So we will see the other one. Another one says that statistics is the use of data to help the decision maker reach better decision. But how? What are the steps which are basically ignored in this definition? It is given by Philip Innes. Now, this definition says by Webster that statistics as the classified facts representing the condition of the people in a state, especially those facts which can be stated in numbers or in tables of numbers or in any tabular or classified arrangement. Very true. This definition meaning is, because it is straightforward mentioning that statistics helps in the condition of the people in a state. What are the conditions we are talking about here? We are talking about their income, we are talking about their employment, we are talking about their wages, right? We are talking about their education. So, these are the facts of the condition of the people in a state that can be presented in a tabular form and that can help us to understand the right state of an economy. But how? Again, this is somehow lacking in this definition. So going next, Croxton and Cowden, they said that statistics may be defined as the collection of data, presentation of data, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. So as compared to the other definitions, this definition is far more comprehensive and easy to understand, which can summarize the whole functioning of the statistics as how statistics works. It's collect data, present, analyze and interpret. Now, understanding this, what are the characteristics of statistics? How do we see? What are the things which makes statistics? First, it is an aggregate of facts. What does it mean? It means that if I am saying that I have 50 rupees in my pocket, it does not create any statistics. What will I conclude? What will I calculate for this? Out of this statement. This is a simple statement and there is no aggregation of facts apart 50 rupees. So, single and isolated data are not statistics for the simple reason that such figures are unrelated and cannot be compared. I do not have anything in this statement to compare. Statistics are results of multiple factors. Yes, very true. These figures are affected by a number of forces that operate and it is a result of multiple factors. Statistics, which is there in the economy, it is not only influenced or it is not only a result of one factor. And that we will see that how does it works in the upcoming slides. It is all our quantified data. Yes, it doesn't work on qualitative data. Sales is not increasing. It is not quantifying data. And by this statement, I will not be able to make out any inferences. So we need a statement which should include numbers. Statistics include a reasonable standards of accuracy. Yes, very well said. The facts and figures that can be collected by actual counting or by estimating. If I am saying that there are 2 lakh people participated in a competition, this is my estimate because I am not going to talk and ask to every people who have participated in that event, because somehow there are 2 lakh people into this. I will not be able to count it. But if I am saying that 200 people or 50 people participated in an event, I can count it. So, Estimates can be or cannot be accurate. Estimates also works in statistics. But actual counting can be more benefited, and the figures and the facts which can be collected by actual countings, are more accurate rather than estimates. Systematic collection of data, yes. Your data collected should not look like a lot of patches in a piece of cloth. You must have seen a beggar. What kind of clothes he was wearing? A lot of patches. So your data should be systematically collected, with the systematic planning. Then it will come out with the right conclusions. Otherwise, it will not be possible to reach to the right inferences. Why do you want to get inference? Why do you want to get a conclusion? It should always be occupied with one objective, purpose. If you are collecting, you are trying to use any statistical tool, you want to analyze something, but you don't know why you are doing it, it will be of no use. So, the data which is collected with a purpose is more meaningful and specific. It must afford comparison, yes, because a single statement does not have any credibility or does not have anything to compare. So the data collected must afford comparison to make meaningful analysis of the data, and the valid comparison is only possible when the data is homogeneous. Data should be homogeneous, means is of same nature. It should not be heterogeneous. If it is of different nature, it will be very difficult to reach or to take or to get any conclusion or inferences out of it. So these were the characteristics which we have completed, and you have seen the definition given by Croxton and Cowden, and I think you have to learn this definition now whenever you are going to give any written paper. This definition actually comprises of everything which explains statistics. So in this lecture, we have seen what is statistics. We have also seen what are the characteristics of it, and which definition covers the right meaning of statistics, that is being seen. And we have also seen that what and where the statistics can be used by a statistician. Thank you so much. So we will cover normative part of statistics in the next class, in the next video. Thank you so much.